we're working on 10. 40, but we're using 40 TU.
40 TU?
40 TU is probably, it doesn't like heat. When it feel heat, it shrink faster.
Okay.
So the best way for this one, we need to use 35Y. But because we don't have this in stock, let's just see the 40 TU, how it will react on this one.
Why would we use 35Y?
Because 35Y it shrink less.
Shrinks less.
No, meaning like it doesn't shrink too much. So
and then it doesn't crush the box.
Yeah, it won't crush the box. Let's see on this one and see if it's gonna crush the box the way we expected. It was a surprise. It did crash, but not the way I expected, because TU obviously is sensitive to heat. It's shrink faster as long as heat, boom, boom. Yeah, but on the actual thing, we're gonna use like 35Y, because 35Y the shrink is less.
But it didn't crush it too badly.
Didn't crush it.
Just slightly there on the side, which does happen.